Looking to upgrade your 2013 or newer Toyota RAV4 with a sleek double-din radio? Finding the right installation dash kit can make all the difference between a seamless, professional look and a frustrating, ill-fitting mess. This double-din installation dash kit is designed specifically for 2013 up Toyota RAV4 models, giving you a secure, clean fit every time. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful design, including a convenient storage pocket right below the radio, perfect for single-din mounting or extra space for your essentials. It's not just about looks. This dash kit ensures your new radio stays firmly in place, avoiding the loose or rattling issues many experience with generic kits. Users have praised its affordability and how great it looks once installed, especially when paired with popular brands like Kenwood. I remember helping my wife upgrade her RAV4's audio system. We struggled to find the right dash kit at local stores, but this one was available on Amazon at a competitive price and arrived quickly with Prime shipping. The technician had no trouble setting up her new Kenwood radio using this kit, and the final result looked factory installed, clean, professional, and functional. If you're ready to enhance your Toyota RAV4's interior with a reliable and stylish double-din dash kit, this is worth a look. It combines practical features with a perfect fit, so you get what matters: a hassle-free upgrade that holds up over time. Try it when you're ready to make your audio system truly shine.